When I first heard the idea of the VW bus, it actually didn't surprise me one little bit, and I was the one that put my hand up for this.
Welcome to Nitro Circus.
Nitro Circus is made up of 20 to 30 of the best athletes in the world. But there sure is a lot more to it behind the scenes. We have the lighting guys, the sound guys, the guys that build the ramps. Pretty much it's one big massive team that makes Nitro Circus what it is today.
My name is Billy Van Butte, and I'm the Logistics and Assets Manager at Nitro Circus Live. What's special to me about my job is I get to use all the skills and trades I've learned over the years while still enjoying being part of the sport and entertainment that I grew up doing. Growing up, I was always interested in tools and mechanics and working on things. I'm a tool and die welder by trade. After high school, I did attend Fanshawe College in London, Ontario for mechanical engineering. And then racing motocross, doing freestyle motocross, and I feel like that's really helped greatly in my position at Nitro Circus. It kind of all makes sense to me, and and it's exciting. Before every tour, we go over and prepare everything here at our warehouse, and then usually it's anywhere from 10 to 15 trucks or sea containers that will load all the bikes, ramps, show set pieces, anything you can think of for the show will go in these containers or trucks and then get shipped internationally, worldwide. Being a former athlete has helped me greatly communicating with the athletes on tour. Sometimes things need to be modified or tweaked just so the guys feel more comfortable hitting the ramps. If they feel comfortable, then that's when you get the best show.
Now we're just walking like we're walking? My name is Ricky Melnick. I'm the Director of Brand and Athlete Marketing. That's it. Basically, my role is to integrate the athletes into the marketing through photography, through video content. It's gratifying to know that everything you're touching, everything you're working on relates back to twisting the throttle, standing sideways, paddling, or strapping in, So I didn't start right into marketing. I didn't start right into customer service or sales. I started in the warehouse. I started working at a snowboard shop, skateboard shop, in retail. Today, having the brand manager title, it's incredible because I'm working with every facet of the business, whether it be through colors, whether that be through fonts, whether that be through the messaging, the taglines, contraptions in the live show, digital content that we're starting to produce now, telling more of a character development side, the overall campaign for the year, all the way across the board. I'm working with the best creative director, Dov Ribnick. I've hired an athlete manager under me. It's been an incredible journey. Coming into Nitro Circus, we jump crazy contraptions.
That was awesome!
There was a time that some of the contraptions had gone around the world and been seen, and they gave me the creativity, along with Billy, to come up with some new ideas.
Ricky had this idea for a Volkswagen bus or a minivan. He himself has one, so it was a no-brainer for him.
Even after a hard day of work or a hard week, you flip up the windows, the Safari windows, and it's no worries. So I said, we're gonna jump this VW bus.
When Ricky first came to me with the Volkswagen bus idea, I wasn't too keen on it. I thought it was gonna be too heavy, too big, and frankly, dangerous.
This is a wild ride! Oh no!
Brought the idea to Billy, and I'm like, Billy, so what do you think if we did that? And he's like, you're nuts, dude.
First, I thought he was kind of crazy because it's a relatively large and heavy thing to be sending down the ramp.
The Gigantic ramp is a huge ramp. I mean, I'm talking, it's massive, it's 50 foot tall. You go about 40 miles an hour down it, and it projects you about 40 to 50 feet in the air, and you're up about 3 stories. It's insane.
You definitely want it to work and no one to get hurt. And the VW bus is not the most aerodynamic contraption.
By Billy's, body gesture, like, okay, this isn't gonna go that well. It's either go one or two ways, you know.
But after we kind of sat down and put pen to paper, we came up with something that we thought just might work.
For the signal, a little bit further down. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go! Give her! Here we go!
This is nuts. This is nuts. Oh, 40 feet.
They have a saying at Nitro Circus: anything flies, everything flies. So, lo and behold, we made it fly and it flew.
The contraption king. Oh no! No-handed lander.
The VW bus is awesome. You go so fast, and when you hit the ramp, you just... VW is my favorite contraption for sure.
To have a career that aligns itself so closely with the passion is unheard of, but at the same time is not unattainable.
It's really cool knowing and seeing people being entertained from the contraptions that we've built and designed. Going to work every day sometimes doesn't feel like work, and getting to explore the world and travel the world is nothing to complain about.
Whatever you're into, whatever is your passion, whatever you feel most connected to, work your ass off and you will get there.
This is the first. Okay. First step.